Hey everyone, welcome back to the video. In this quick video, I'll show you how can you start making money using Thread app. So let's get started. First open the Thread app and go to your profile. If you want to earn, you need a professional looking profile, add a clear photo, short bio and a link to your website, shop or affiliated link. Start posting constantly, use engaged text, ask questions and share helpful content. The bigger your audience, the more you have to earn through collaboration or brand deals. Use Threads to share affiliated links. Sign up for programs like Amazon, share a sale or others. Post a unique link in your threads. Just make sure to disclose that it's an affiliated. As your account grows, brand may reach out or you can pitch to them. Offer to promote their products in exchange for payment of fee product. Be sure your content match their style. Link your thread to Instagram, TikTok or YouTube where you already earn. Thread is a great place to drive traffic to your monetized platforms. And that's it. Build your brand, grow your audience and use threads smartly to make real income. I hope you like this video. If you find this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.